Hello and welcome to episode 9 of SAAB Fever. In today's episode we'll be replacing an indicator on my 9.5. I've noticed this little stone chip on the side here. It doesn't seem to be letting any water in, but I thought I'd replace it before I do. As it happens, I had a spare from my old car. Removing the indicators on the 9.5 is actually a very simple and straightforward task, once you know where the clip is hidden. As you can see here, it's actually very quick to remove. You don't need any tools at all, just a working thumb really. This is the clip here. If we go around here and look at the opening left by the indicator unit, you can see here where the clip sits. I'll just poke my finger through from the other side. And if we go back to the engine bay and turn the camera around, you should just about be able to make out, see where the daylight's coming through just above the back of the headlight there. I'll poke my finger through. There it is. Hello, Mr. Finger. That's where the clip would be sitting. There's a better view. Putting a replacement in is even simpler than removing it, to be honest. All you really have to do is line up the 3 guides. Once you've got it in place, lined up properly, you just give it a quick tap and it's in. There we go. Job's a good one. The other side of the car's exactly the same, really. It's just all the opposite way around. I'd find it easier to remove the battery cover. Just gives you an extra little bit of space to get your hand in. As you can see, once you depress the clip itself, it comes out in a matter of seconds. Exactly the same as the other side. Here comes the thumb. Give us a little wave. And if we go back to the engine bay, again, similar to the last side, you can just see some daylight poking through at the front there. And there's my finger. So that's where the clip will be sitting. As always, thanks for watching.